Okay, good morning everyone. Now, we all know that in previous class we discussed our orally question answers. Answer the following questions and chapter we have discussed earlier. So, now today we discuss last portion of the question answers, that is reference to context. Okay. So, our D part. So, write down in notebook, this also in notebook, reference to context. Question number 1 is means that line is and when where is the girl little girl sir. So we have to give answers of all these 4 questions. Who said these words and to whom? First A is Kabuli wala said this to Minnie's father. Okay. Said to this Minnie's father. This is your first answer. Next B question is who is the little girl being referred to here? So answer is Minnie is the little girl. Minnie is the little girl referred to here. Referred to here. This is your second answer. Minnie is the little girl being referred to here. Now, question number C is what? Why did the speaker want to meet the girl? Kabuli wala wanted. Kabuli wala is the speaker. So, he wanted to meet. He wanted to meet Minnie because he remembered his own daughter, his own daughter whom he had left in his country. So this is your third answer part, question number C. Okay. Kabuli wala wanted to meet Minnie because he remembered his own daughter whom he had left in his country. So this is your C answer. Okay. Now what was her reaction when she met him? क्या reaction था उसका जब वो उससे मिली? Okay. When he met her, she was adorned like a bride, and when he spoke, she flushed and bowed her head. So this is your part D. When he met her, she was adorned like a bride, and when he spoke, she flushed and bowed head. Now, next is question number B. May I see the little one, sir? Now, who said these words and to whom? Your question 1 is who said these words and to whom? Answer is Kabuli wala said these words to Minnie's father. Kabuli wala said these words to Minnie's father. Now next B is, this is answer A. Who is the little one referred to here? Now Minnie is the little one referred to here. Minnie is the little one referred to here. Now next is Why wasn't the speaker allowed to meet the little one initially? Initially, he was not allowed. He was not allowed to meet her. Because it was her wedding. It was her wedding that night, and everyone was busy with the ceremonies. Everyone was busy with the ceremonies. So write down up to here. This is part A, means this is part 1 and this is part 2. This is question number 1, this is question number 2. So initially he was not allowed to meet her because it was her wedding that night and everyone was busy with ceremonies. Okay, so this is our C question. This is answer A of part 2nd, this is answer B of part 2nd, and this is answer C of part 2nd. Now D, I write here D. D is, why was he allowed to meet her soon after? Okay, question is, he was allowed to see her after he told Minnie's father about how she reminded him of his own little daughter, and showed him the impression of his daughter's hand that he always carried with him. So here we completed our all question answers. Okay, he was allowed to see her after he told Minnie's father about how she reminded him of his own little daughter and showed him the impression of his daughter's hand that he always carried with him. So here we completed our reference to context question answers. Okay. Now next we discuss about the book exercise. So everyone open your book. So here we completed our reference to context question answers. Now question number 1 is, transform the following sentences as directed within the brackets without changing their meaning. It's page number 17. Question number 1A. My grandfather is in this. Transform the following sentence as directed. We have to change these sentences using these two words which is given in bracket. Okay, we follow these and change these sentences. So our first question is, my grandfather is so old that she cannot sit erect. Now how we use this? First, my grandmother, is T-O-O, too old. When we give pressure to anything, we use this T-O-O, old, to sit erect. This you all do in book only. Okay. Now second is, everybody loves peace in life. This change into interrogative. So how we change this? Isn't it peace that everybody loves in life? Now third question is, doesn't he does yoga regularly? This we change into assertive. Okay. So if he does yoga regularly. Sorry, he does yoga regularly. Now fourth is, he composed Hindi songs for Indian films after his retirement. Okay, change the voice. This we change into voice. So Hindi songs for Indian films were written by him. Fifth is, he meditates early in the morning, which is good for his health. Change into a compound sentence. So he meditates early in the morning and that is good for his health. Next is, she always gives sane advice to her friends. Change the highlighted word into a verb. So we change this into a highlighted words into a verb. Advice change into advised here. Okay. So advice change into advised. She advised her friends sanely. Advised her friends sanely. Now next is question B. It's in page number 18. In this we put question, read question in which we put text, add question text only. Like Dangal is a very interesting movie. Here Dangal is an interesting movie means isn't it? First. Now second is, Urvashi is the tallest girl in our class, isn't she? Next, you don't sleep during the day, do you? You are trying for admission to a government run public school, aren't you? Here we put question text according to the sentence. Okay. Next, you have finished your project work, haven't you? We use these verbs only, helping verbs only, and then we make question text. Now help her, will you? Next, he has spent his young age in the service of humankind, hasn't he? Next, she was serving dinner to her children at the time of earthquake, wasn't she? So Up to here we completed. Now in next class we will discuss rest of the exercise. So you all do these two exercises in your reader book. These two exercises don't do in notebook. Up to reference to question, context question answers you do in notebook. And these two exercises write in book only, means fill in book only. Okay. So this is up to, means this chapter is almost completed. Now we will discuss next chapter in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.